Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by placing the laptop on a flat table and close any angle that hides the screen edge. You need a clear view. You measure the screen diagonally from one usable corner to the opposite usable corner because manufacturers quote diagonal size. Use a flexible tape or ruler and note inches first, then convert to cm if needed. This avoids bezel confusion. Once done, double-check you measured the visible display, not the plastic bezel, since that yields the accurate advertised size. Next, measure the laptop body to understand overall size and fit. Measure width and height of the lid or closed laptop, because bag and dock fit depend on those dimensions. Measure thickness at the thickest point and front edge. Manufacturers sometimes list both to show wedge designs. Also check hinge offset and port placement so you know where adapters will sit. These steps explain why diagonal screen size alone isn't enough for case compatibility and docking station clearance. Finish by cross-referencing your physical measurements with the laptop model's official specs found in System Info or the spec sheet. This confirms accuracy and resolves discrepancies. If dimensions differ, measure again and ensure your tape was straight and corner to corner. Make sure you measured only the active display area for screen size. If ports or case don't fit a bag, test with a thin protective sleeve. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers still conflict, photograph your measurement and repeat with a second ruler to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.